Internet drops out. Rich's wife finds the internet connection dropping out. She is talking to her husband.
Rich, does our internet connection drop out?
Yes, that's right. It does, honey.
This is the third time this week. Is there a problem with our router?
No, it's still working. Well,
So why is the connection constantly being lost every few days? There must be some problems.
you're right. The undersea fiber optic cables for some internet service provider are broken.
Why? What happened?
They are attacked by sharks.
Are you kidding me?
No, it's true. Sharks are attracted by the magnetic field created by the fiber optic cables.
They think the fiber optic cables are fish, do they?
Yeah, unbelievable, right?
Yeah, I don't see any similarities between cables and fish.
The animal world has many mysteries that we do not understand.
How long will this situation last?
They said the repair work would take a week. During that time, internet traffic will be affected.
Oh, I can't work with such an internet connection.
There is no way else. Sweetie, we have to wait.